Alrighty, I just started recording by the way. So let's start off with Forex Factory. We hop on Forex Factory right before we hop on TradingView as always. Noticed, I should reload this. Notice, it says my time right now, PST time zone. Where did it all go? We have no news today, basically. I mean, at least 1 hour before, pre-market, we had that. But a great day, a great day. Obviously, the first trade was yesterday, Sunday market opening. So today, what, 24 plus 30, what, that's $54. Again, it's just the usual, just the casual. Um,
By the way, you're not streaming.
yeah, yeah, yeah. I'm just, oh, okay. I actually didn't even think about that. All right, here we go. So yeah, we hop on Forex Factory. Look, there's no news practically today. What it looks like US 30 is already dumping again. Just made $54 today, but it's not. I'm not really focusing on the financials. I'm not really focusing on the money, on the profit. I'm focusing strictly on having a positive RR and following my rules um to the best of my ability and just following my discipline, right? So again, for everybody who didn't know, this account we started at $212.28. Today is the eighth day of the account, eighth technically day we're trading this account, and got it already to currently sitting at $622.48. So that's great. That's great. Days today really requires you to be on top of your feet, right? So if we just hop over here to the bigger chart, what did I see? So I saw every time it came up, it pulled back down, trying to hold some type of support, pulled up, down. What was once resistance support came up, came down again, just following this whole structure, right? So came up, came down, came up, came down, came up, came down. We had three taps over here and then a fourth. I really wanted to see for the fourth time her to retap it here. So she was basically holding support over here. This was honestly giving me a little bit of an ick, but if we look to the left, we don't have no support or resistance over here. I mean, we had resistance basically in this area, but I was like, you know what? I'm not looking again to the left. It doesn't make no sense if we were to put a resistance down there, right? So, or I should say up here. So, not to mention this was also treated as support back on this day. So you see, you guys always come to the charts expecting every single day to be different than the day before, the week before, the month before. You can never ever claim that. I mean, the charts, forex and futures charts are honestly one of the sweetest and one of the amazing charts because every single day we're just living off of continuous data, right? Continuous data off of what has already occurred, what has already happened. So that's what contributes to having a great and effective strategy with a thought process that adds this in the process in the mix as well. So with that being said, if I just clear my brush drawing just to make it a little bit on the cleaner side. As soon as I saw it coming up, honestly, it happened a little too fast. My entry was already like basically right here. Um, sure, look, don't get me wrong, but US 30 she moves fast. I think the best thing to do moving forward, and this is what I've been trying to do with this whole account. It's not like I wanted to start an account for it because I'm not really the best at that, to be brutally honest. I just wanted to try to work with uh, market pending order. So ideally, I should have put a market pending order over here and just really stick to my bias or stuck it somewhere really far. That way, with my broker, I can trail it, right? I can trail it, drop it like that, and that way, when she comes back up, she fills me in and she just swoops through. But she already by the time I did it, I lowered it over here. I wanted to give myself enough of a space, enough of a cushion in case if she rolls up a little bit just to dump further. So, I'm trading to the best of my ability. It's scared trading. It's understanding that if we go below this, I have to cut it. I manually I have to cut it, right? Or and when I get filled, I have to drop a physical hard stop loss. So a lot of things that I'm trying to implement in my trading here. As always, yes, I've been trading for so long, but you can always reverse and go back into, some bad, poor trading habits, and then you're like, it's like the gym. It's like your appetite, right? You can do something for so long, you know what's right, but then some life events happen, you fall back into the mix, and you need to get yourself back clean up, right? You need to clean yourself back up. So once I saw that we were going back up, again, my entry was somewhere like right here. I know it was above those wicks. As soon as we got back up, I noticed we really couldn't push above these bodies. So it wasn't. I probably got out for a buy a little bit before, just because I was trailing my stop loss and got hit. So a really, really, really small trade for that buy. I mean, $2 per point. That's just 12 points. It is what it is. But I noticed you couldn't really break these highs. So I was like, if we basically come below these double bottoms, I mean double tops, just like how it is right now, take a damn sell. I got filled in, was not ever in drawdown. It's just no, no, no. This was the one trade that I was up in drawdown, and I kept my stop loss right there, right at that wick. So she was edging my stop loss many times. For 3 minutes, I was in drawdown, and sure thing. This is why, I made profit. I just want to show you guys, right? This is my mental. Uh, that's not the one. It's this one. Okay, so you guys see yesterday I made $24. First trade I made $24. I'm already up between these 2 days, my previous two trades for this week, $48. So I can risk $48, but you know what? $48 for two lots for $2 per point. That's like what, 24 points? So let's de-risk my lot size, right? And actually, I literally called her right now. Take a short and just see her flush. So, um, it's just she couldn't really pass above those wicks, and she couldn't really get below support, turning her to resistance. Maybe if she can do it now, and this small drop that we're doing, wouldn't be honestly super surprised. But that's how you're supposed to trade, man. You don't want to risk. If you're already up green profit on the from your two previous trades on the week, why would you want to risk more, right? Why would you want to keep your risk the same? You should de-risk that way. No matter what, you're ensuring that you're green. Worst case scenario, at least ensure that you break even on the whole session. So that's just my thought process. Again, 8 day trading on this account. Really, really proud and satisfied. I mean, if you just go on my account, just before this week, including yesterday, I'm already up. It was like 335 or 333 on the small account. So now basically that puts me up to like 400 on the small account flip. So I love it. I love it. So as always, best of luck and wishes moving forward. You don't take trades if you're not stubborn. Don't take trades if you don't understand what's happening, right? So again, saw Kemp come down 3 times. What do I want to see it do for the fourth time? I mean, I was caught in a little jaw-struck moment when she came back up. That's where I had my little. I should have lowered my buy stop. Instead, I just kept it like that. So, it is what it is. I'm happy I was able to control the outcome very much in whatever direction favor that I wanted to in the pre-market as well. I controlled my urge and my ability to not force a trade over here. A lot of people cannot do that, and when you hop on small time frames like this, which I almost fell very prey to just to see what we're doing in small time frames, but luckily I did not do that. When you see these type of retracements, you're like, oh, let me take a buy, like let me just delete this blue line. Let me delete this blue line. Let me take a buy like right here, and then next thing you know, you would have got fucked up, right? You would have got fucked up. Literally market opening, she dumped 100 points on your ass. So yeah, peace, love, and cheers, guys. Thank you.